Welcome to Taiji's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make omu-rice. This is really not a traditional dish, but nonetheless it's really Japanese, I think. A lot of people say that Japanese people are very conservative and not innovative, but in terms of food, I really think we're the opposite. We're very innovative. We like to incorporate new things and we like to combine new things. And so this is a combination of omelette and rice with ketchup. Whoever thought of the combination of rice and omelette is a genius, I think. It really matches together. I think this is considered more of a B-rank food, but nonetheless it's really delicious. You've probably seen in anime or in maid cafe where they have omelette over the rice and then heart or whatever character or smiley face. And this food, I have rather a nostalgic memory to this because my grandmother used to make this quite often. Probably because I once said that I like this. And then, like any grandma, they'll make the same thing over and over that you once said that you like. Whenever I make this and eat this, I think of my grandma. So it's really a savory food for me. Then, let's get started. Here are the ingredients for omu-rice. I have a bowl of cooked rice, which is about 150 grams. And then for the meat, I have chicken meat. You can substitute with other meat like bacon or sausage. And if you're a vegetarian, you can of course take out the meat and you can make a vegetarian omu-rice. And I usually like to put in different vegetables so that it'll be balanced. I have mushroom, carrots, green pepper, and onion. I like to put in a lot of eggs, so I use 2, but you can also just make it with 1. And then for the seasoning, I have salt and pepper and then ketchup. I use this kind of a little bit more expensive ketchup, not the Heinz, because for me, Heinz is a little bit too sweet and I like the taste of this ketchup. But of course, choose whatever ketchup you like. So let's cut up the vegetables. I'm not gonna use all of this. For the onion, I'm gonna use a half of this because this is a small onion, but if you have a big onion, you want to use a quarter of it. And then I'm gonna take the top part off and then peel it. I want to make dice of onions. I'm gonna make incision like this and then make just about the same size dice like this. And then I'm gonna do the same for the carrots. I'm gonna use about that much. And then I'm just gonna... So the idea is that they're about the same size. And I'm gonna put the carrots and the onion together because they're gonna take about the same time to cook. And then let's cut up the... There's no really right way to cut the mushrooms. I'm just gonna make small dice like the rest of the vegetable. And then the green pepper, I'm not going to use all of it as well. Probably just going to need a little under a quarter. And again. So I'm going to put the green pepper and mushroom together because they're going to take about the same time to cook. And then let's cut up the chicken meat. So this I'm using thigh meat, but you can use any part of chicken, of course. And we're gonna cut this also the same size dice as the rest of the ingredients. So let's start cooking. I'm gonna heat the frying pan to high and then put a little bit of cooking oil. So the pan is heated. I'm gonna put in the onion and carrots. I'm gonna turn the heat to medium so the vegetable don't burn. Then just about carrots and onion is halfway cooked, I'm gonna put in the meat. Just as the meat is halfway cooked, I'm gonna put in the rest of the vegetables. Then I'm going to season this with salt and pepper. Just when the pepper and mushrooms are cooked, I'm going to put in the rice. I'm going to try to kind of spread out the rice. So just as the rice is spread out, I'm going to put in a little bit of ketchup. So this is looking really good. I'm gonna turn off the heat and put it on a plate. So trying to make it like an omelette shape. Then let's cook the eggs. I'm gonna turn the heat to high and I'm gonna prepare the eggs. I'm gonna put a little bit of cooking oil. So the pan is heated. I'm gonna put the eggs in. I'm gonna give it a little whisk here and there, like so. So I don't want to overcook the eggs, so this is really good. I'm gonna turn off the heat. So let's hope this is going to turn out well. Oh, okay, not too bad. And then I'm gonna put in the ketchup. I like to put quite a lot. So this is ready to be eaten. Okay, let's eat. Itadakimasu! Oh, it already smells really good. Looks delicious. Okay, let's take a bite. Itadakimasu. Oh, this is really my soul food. So I'm gonna put a little ketchup on. This is good. I can't stop. Oh, this is really good. This combination of rice with ketchup is great, but nonetheless that adds to the flavor of chicken, mushroom, and onion. Onion has a very subtle sweetness to it, and the green pepper adds a little bitterness to it, which just adds to the taste, and everything is rounded up with the egg, and then the flavor of tomato ketchup is just really, really great. Whoever invented this combination is really genius. Oh, that was delicious. ごちそうさまでした。 Oh, that was really, really delicious. I just kind of drank that, not just because I was hungry, but it was so delicious. As you saw, this doesn't require any special ingredients like soy sauce or miso, except for the rice that you need to cook. But other than that, you can make with whatever you have in the fridge. This is really delicious and really easy. I really recommend you to try this. And if you try it yourself, please let me know in the comments below how it went. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye!